Hello viewers, I'm Sadia Khan and you're watching YouTube channel Learn with Sadia. My topic for today's video is parts of speech. Here, if you watch this video till the end, you will get a clarity on what parts of speech are. See, we will try to understand parts of speech by considering few examples. Okay, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and watch the video till the end. Thank you. Here you can see the first question. The first example here is Hyderabad is a historical city. Here you can see the word historical. It is given in another color. Here we have to identify which part of speech it is. Hyderabad is a historical city. Now can you guess the answer? What is the answer for this historical? To which part of speech it belongs to? So for this, historical is an adjective. Here in this particular sentence, historical is an adjective. So what is an adjective? It is a word which tells us about noun or pronoun. Okay. So any quality, if it is describing about noun or pronoun, usually if it is a quality, it can be a pronoun or it can be an abstract noun. So how to identify whether it is a pronoun or an abstract noun? Here we need to remember the definition. If the quality is an adjective, then in that particular sentence, it will describe a noun or pronoun. Here historical word is describing the Hyderabad city. It is telling us about the noun. That's why it is adjective. Children are a source of joy to the parents. Now let us guess, let us understand this sentence. Children are a source of joy to the parents. Here the word source is in another color. So you have to identify to which part of speech the word source belongs to. So the obvious answer for this question is source is a noun. See, noun is nothing but it is a naming word which denotes the name of a person. It denotes the idea, creature or anything. So moving to the third one. Here the third sentence is honesty is the best policy. Here as the word honesty is in another color, we have to identify to which part of speech it belongs to. Here you have to get clarity whether there is noun and pronoun present in the sentence or not. Hope you got the answer. So in the sentence, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is noun. It is a quality and it is an abstract noun. It is not an adjective. Clear? It is not an adjective because it is not describing any noun or pronoun here. Now let's move ahead. Now next one, we learn many things through observation. We learn many things through observation. Here you can see the word learn is in another color. So you have to identify to which part of speech it belongs to. So it is an action word. So you might have got the answer till now. So learn is a verb. All the verbs are nothing but action words. So if they are indicating that any action is done, then we can clearly include them under the category of verbs. Moving to the next sentence, next example. Since it was raining, he took an umbrella with him. So what is the sentence? Since it was raining, it is one clause. He took an umbrella with him is another clause. Here you can see in the first clause the word since is in another color and in the second clause with is in another color. So here you have to identify the part of speech for the word since as well as for the word with. Give a thought. Here answer is since is conjunction because it is connecting two clauses and with is an obvious answer. It is preposition. Here I have a small explanation for the word since, whether since is a preposition or a conjunction. See, in the previous example which we have seen, it is a conjunction. Why is it a conjunction there? Because it is connecting two clauses. Sometimes it plays a role other than connecting two clauses. And in that case, especially in the present perfect tense when it is used, it will be a preposition. Here you can see the example. It has been raining since morning. Okay, here we are not connecting any two clauses and in this present perfect tense, in this particular example, since is a preposition, not conjunction. Next one, alas, the legendary athlete Milka Singh is dead. Here you have to identify the part of speech for the word alas. See, alas, it is a word usually expressed or it is usually used to express the sorrow or in a shock. Okay, when the person goes into the shock state of mind or when he feels very bad, then we say alas. That is one expression. We are expressing our emotion using that word. And any such word which is expressing a sudden emotion or feeling and usually followed by an exclamatory mark is, guess what is the answer? So, alas is an interjection because it is a word used to express a sudden feeling of emotion, excitement, or sorrow. So, moving to the next sentence, they themselves interfered in the dispute. Here we have to identify the part of speech of the word themselves. Okay, instead of noun, what do we use? Think in that way. So, themselves is a pronoun. And remember, this word themselves is emphatic pronoun because it is used for emphasis. Otherwise, we already have a pronoun they in the sentence. Okay. So, again, after using they, we are using themselves. That is to stress on them that they can do the work by themselves. I myself can do it. This is another example I'm using. I myself can do it. Instead of saying I can do it, sometimes I will have to say I myself can do it. That means I am worthy enough to do that. To emphasize that I can do that particular work, I use one more pronoun in a sentence and that is called as emphatic pronoun. The boy ran into the park joyfully. So here you have to identify the part of speech for which word, the word joyfully. So according to you, to which part of speech joyfully belongs to? Give a thought. So what is the answer? Joyfully is an adverb. What is actually adverb? It tells about a verb. Adverb usually tells about a verb. See, the sentence is the boy ran joyfully. How did he run? Running is an action. Running is a verb. Okay. How did the boy run into the park? He ran joyfully. So that joyfully is a word which is telling about ran, which is telling about verb here. That's why any word which tells about verb or an adjective or another adverb is called as adverb. So joyfully is an adverb and here it is the manner of work it is describing. So it is adverb of manner. Music draws the attention of everyone. Here you can see everyone is in another color. So you have to identify to which part of speech the word everyone belongs to. Very simple and obvious answer. Any word which is used in place of a noun. Here we are not specifying, we are not mentioning the name of a person. So in place of name, we are using everyone. So as we are using it in the place of a noun, it is a pronoun. Pronoun in simple words is a word used in place of a noun. Moving to the last sentence of the video, cricket matches are watched by lakhs of people. Here the word lakhs is a noun. Answer is immediately mentioned. You can notice cricket matches are watched by lakhs of people. Lakh is a noun here. Thanks for watching the video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it right now. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Like, share and comment as well. Thank you.